Start by the problem, dig deeper and deeper, find the gap and bring the experts. Design a platform that can make fashion sourcing seamless and reliable. Increase transparency, decrease complexity, build a strong supplier base. Vet them, train them, empower them.
But they don't want to change.
Make them see the big picture. Boom! Then let's focus there. Help them create magical products. Bring them to one place. Open the doors to buyers. Test the idea. Failed? Do it again. Change the way, not the target. Focus. Work. Meditate. Sleep. Okay, that's enough sleep. Get back to work. See how they can manage orders virtually. Draft UX, draft process, launch beta. Tweak, tweak, tweak. Coffee. More coffee. Ta-da! There, it worked. Now go to market. Break the boundaries and welcome the brands. Observe, iterate, be data-driven. Make the best platform to trade virtually. Live feature, 3D samples. Make the image display big. No, bigger. Right, digital design studio, digital textile library, real-time order management.
Now that's scalable.
Encourage more and more content. Motivate manufacturers and provide trade assurance. Make the collaboration fast, easy, and secure. Or else... Now get capital. Deploy to grow. Not this growth, but this growth. Making the future of fashion sourcing. That's Merchant Bay. www.merchantbay.com